Hi, hello guys, this is Sad Makram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. Let's get started with today's topic. It's regarding how to use highlighters or highlighting techniques, and regarding furthermore on this, we how to create an area chart. Let's get started in Tableau. So this is where we left in the previous session regarding the unemployment data from United States. These are for women's orange, and this is for men from 2005 to 2015 all over here. If I just click over here, show me. Yes, over here till here you could see Feb 15. So we have 10 years of record all over here. So let's see how we can first do a highlighting on our data and what we have, so on. So let's see, we have genders like for women and men. Let's add little more thing like age into the shapes or color. Let's see. Yes, you could see how beautiful the map graph looks like all over. So we have now ages, or if this is like a little bit confusing because we do have same clusters of dot, so I'm removing this and it just click on sizes, yes, or shapes, and then the gender to the coloring. See how the map now looks like. This is for men and this is for women. So let's make it a little more clear by just getting into it. This is for men and this is for women as it was earlier. And let's bring the age to the size. This is what the age looks like. And if we want to highlight this details all over what we have taken over here, what we have mapped, it includes all over men, women, and the ages. Let's see how we can do the highlighting. See over here, I have just clicked on highlighting technique, and then over here I need to choose show highlighter. Here is the highlighter. So just clicking on men, this is just for the men data, and for women this is for women data what we have all over here. And now I'm just clicking on like 16 to 19 data. It's not working because I need to click highlight selected item. So now let's check. See guys, this is for 16 to 19 years of data of age group for women and men. Orange is men, sorry, orange is women and blue is men. And let's check for 20 to 24. See how the data looks like for 20 to 24 age. For 25 to 34, see how it's look like. And for 35 to 34, 44. And then we could see so on for 45 to 54, so on, for like how the graph and the dots are getting bigger for age wise, like age wise completely you can see the data, how we can highlight the data, specific data for specific thing for completely we could see over here, and we can represent based on that. So if you want any data, anything to highlight which is more important to you, you just need to click the data depend on the age wise what you needed. And along with that, if you don't want and you don't want them gender like women, if you don't want the data of women, you just need to select just men over here, just it is for men data. And if you don't want, example, if you don't want all for 16 to 19 to 65 complete age group, so if you want just for youngsters 16 to 19, see this is what data looks like. And I need to just highlight men over here. If I don't want women, if you want men, sorry, it will be if you want women then it will be over here for orange, and if you want men then this is will be the data how it's look like. Just highlight the thing which you want and it will be display that only. That's it guys, hope you got it for this one. And for single data, select any row for men and women, and if you don't want any gender type, you can remove this, and you can select a single data for men, and you can just keep on goes on data what you want. And if you want, if you don't want for men, if you want for women, you can choose this too, so on. Just got click on the details, so I'm just removing this. So if you don't want, we are removing it. So this is for men, this is for each wise group. Now we just need to click on gender. I need to give the coloring over here. See, just for women or men. See how the data beautiful looks like over here. So let's go. This is all about the highlighting technique, and we can use this, and this is very great technique to highlight a particular thing in terms of parameter what we have, depend on the situation. So let's see the another technique, another thing in Tableau, how to use or visualize into like chart diagram. Let's see. Let's go to that particular data and just make it to the previous one what we have completely. This is what is look like the previous data. What we have is into time series, single automatic, and this is for the line diagram, and this is how the data looks like into the line diagram, along with the depth detail of like unemployment in depth from like month 2005 Jan to 2015 Feb. Let's make it more clear for the sizing. Just make the path little bit more depth. So just click on show me over here. Let's see how now it's look like. See how beautiful it's look. It's proper right now, and it's into the proper line. And let's make and we need to create an area chart, and let's see how we can do this. Click on the different charts. We have different charts first. This is for pie chart, this is for bar, horizontal bar, and this is for what we can have is second bar. This is for sheet or tree maps. This is for circle views, and this is for what we have it is like box and whiskey plots, and this is for packed bubbles. This is how the beautiful data looks like in packed bubbles. And let's come towards this is area chart. See how data looks like in the area chart right now. Now let's add the gender too with coloring. Yes, we got it. And now let's make age with coloring. Yes, we got it. If we don't want int single, this is what is completely in particular like area chart looks like, guys. This is what complete area chart looks like. This is a single type for like particular month in an year, so on. So this is like divided into quarterly type, guys. So this is for completely for months of years, like month of periods, along with 2015, like 5 to 15 completely in depth. See how beautiful it's look like the area chart. And this is how we are getting all the details completely. And one thing is missing, guys, over here is like the labeling, because we don't know what's actually the graph more talking about. It's talking about age of group according to the unemployment and rate of unemployment along with that. So make it more like in-depth detail, and I'm adding age to the label. So what type of age and how are I'm unemployed over here. I'm just adding up that. If I want to add gender over here, you could see all over here gender type along with that, male and female completely. It has what looks like the complete graph now. So that's it, guys. That's it for the complete session, and hope you got it. How data looks like beautiful in this series. So if I don't want age or gender, I just need to remove it because this graph is getting too much right here. Yes, and just need to add ages to color. I just need to add label to the case. Yes, this is how beautiful it looks like completely. From we could see that how many day unemployment is there towards the ages for 20 to 24, 25 to 34. This is for 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, and beyond for 65 and over. And that looks great. And this is what we call as area chart. Could will see over here, it's there label area chart. And that's it for today, and hope you got the highlighting techniques and highlighting the things in Tableau, how beautiful you can do that, depend on the parameter or the situation, or depend on the things what you needed from the data. And again, how you can beautifully plot the area chart beautifully, depend on the like ages, groups, or each and everything, depend on the data set what we want. That's it, guys. I hope you got clear on this session. And next topic what I will be discussing is like on filters in Tableau and quick filters. Sure, I will be definitely completing that in next session regarding that. And hope regarding, and for further queries you can ping me on the session, guys. Comment me in the comment section regarding this. And hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, have a great day, and bye bye.